la la la, yum bum 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 bum. And this door leads to, whoa, a single sparkly shoe. Fancy. La 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 la. What about here? Definitely not. La 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 la. La 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 la. Knock knock. Oh. No, we'll just cover that up. So many stairs. Why so many stairs? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I made it. There you are. Hi. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. Oh, I'm so glad you're here too. It's my favorite time of year, when we celebrate the holidays. Oh, but this year, I want to create a special holiday surprise for my friends, and I need a little help. Little siblings! Come on, Sludge and Slush and Slide and Ansel and Flake and Fridge and Flurry. Powder and Crystal and Squalor and Pat and William. Everyone's here. Time to decorate the castle. Why? Because it's that time of year. Look at them go. Decorating is an art, so express yourself. Fruitcake! More decorations! Oh, don't forget the banner. Perfect. Oh, fruitcake.
Olaf?
Oh, here come my friends. Everyone, hi.
Olaf? Oh, hi! Have any of you seen... Oh my.
Ahoy, happy lids!
Surprise!
Olaf, you did this?
With help from my helpful little helpers. A holiday surprise for my friends.
I guess it's the thought that counts.
Thank you, little siblings. Now off to bed. Off you go. No pushing, William. Good snowgies. Do you like your surprise?
We love it. But maybe it could use a little more something. I know just the something it needs. May I?
You may. You spell happy holidays.
I don't know. I still think it's missing something.
Oh, yeah!
Now it's time for our holiday surprise.
We proudly present
The Yule Bell. Love the Yule Bell from Arendelle. That's right. I mean, Kristoff and Sven helped. A little.
a little.
Did I say a little? What I meant to say was thank you for all your help.
You're welcome.
Now we can ring in the season with all of our friends here.
Hooray!
It's the first Christmas in forever since we opened up the gate. And it's the first Christmas I remember to date. And it's already worth the wait. Look at all the joy, and it's everywhere. I feel the Christmas spirit in the air. And the party will start at the strike of noon. And we'll ring in the season. So
the holiday season so special?
Oh, I know. Is it presents?
Something better than gifts.
Must be sweets.
Nope,
Games?
not that either.
What else is there?
Time with those we love. Elsa, being able to share a special moment with friends and family is what makes this season her favorite time of year.
I would travel miles and miles and I would follow any star. I'd go almost any place if it's any place you are. It's when we're together, I'll forever feel at home. And when we're together, we'll be safe and warm. Doesn't matter where we are, if you're there with me. 'Cause when we're together, that's my favorite place to be. Cause when we're together, it's a holiday every night. And when we're together, then the season's bright. I don't need the bell to ring, I know when it's here. Cause when we're together, I could stay forever. And when we're together,
It's my favorite time of
Whoa! Look at all that ice!
Elsa, it's so beautiful.
Now that's a holiday surprise.
The love of the season in our hearts all year long.
Ahoy, happy lids! I mean, happy holidays.
Thanks for beginning the season with us.
Warm holiday hugs for everyone.
Friends and family, I hope you enjoyed the frozen holiday surprise, yeah? Spending the holidays together is so nice, like a sauna. Now go to enjoy the rest of your night and let it be merry and bright. That rhymed.